Hello, this is Miss Lena. Welcome to my kitchen again. Thank you all for coming in, and I hope you enjoy my video for today. And my scripture is from Hebrew 13:8. Jesus Christ the same yesterday, today, and forevermore. Hebrew 13:8. Thank you so much. Now, so get ready. Okay. Chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. And I will be using all those ingredients. Complete black pepper, onion, and garlic powder as usual. And I also have onions and bell peppers, all kind of bell peppers cut up. And this is chicken breast. I've already kind of started it, Lord. And here's my rice, just about ready. And I'll also be putting mushroom soup and also the broccoli. It's already ready to go. The broccoli will go into the casserole with the rice, okay? All right. So, now, I'm going to be turning the fire on for the, I guess I'll pull the skillet over because the rice is ready. Okay. So, as soon as the heat gets hot, I'm going to be pouring on all my ingredients. I'll be pouring it on it anyway, so. This is the garlic powder. The onion powder. Black pepper. And complete. Okay. Okay, now I'll be putting in the bell peppers and onions.
And celery.
And celery, okay.
No. Yeah, she's putting half a stick of butter in there.
I'm putting a whole stick of butter. I want it brown just a little bit, so.
We'll be right back once it's brown.
Okay, I'm going to add the mushroom soup to the rice, okay. I'm doing 2 cans of mushroom soup. And 2 cups of rice. There's a little bit more. There's a little bit more in here. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Just going to pour a little bit of my heavy cream into the rice. Okay. That's probably about 1/4 of a cup, I imagine.
She used 2 cups of rice. When she cooked it, 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water to boil it in.
Now I think the chicken is ready to go in. Also, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't turn the skillet around, or you couldn't see it go in. That'll be in there. I put just a little bit more garlic powder in.
Okay, y'all, she's gonna put it on top of the broccoli and put some cheese on it and put it inside the oven. Okay, y'all, she's seasoning her broccoli now before she pour the other stuff in.
That's everything now. Okay.
They'll Malachi everybody if y'all want to know.
I'm adding sharp cheese. Wow, but I don't know whether it's mild or not, but anyway.
How it tastes, Kaka?
Good.
I know. Malachi. Y'all, it's so good. We'll be back once it's done.
Okay. All right, everybody. This is my broccoli rice, chicken broccoli rice casserole. And it's very good. It's off the chain. And let me get me a spoon. I want to take a little bite of it for you guys. Take a sample of it anyway. I'm going to show you how it looks on my plate. Okay. Very delicious looking. Okay.
Oh, wait.
Very, very good. It is off the chain.
You want to taste some?
This is something that you can have anytime, but can fix it anytime.
Yes.
With we did with chicken breast, but you can do it with any kind of chicken or any kind of other meat that you'd like to have.
He want to taste some.
Mm-hmm.
He want to taste some. Kaka want to taste some. Malachi keeps saying
Okay.
Kaka.
You want to taste them?
Sure.
If you like rice, you'll love it.
Okay.
Rice, chicken, and broccoli.
It's very good.
Very good.
1 to 10.
10.
Yeah.
So thank you all for watching. And if you decide, this is a very good dish for you all to make. And it doesn't take very long to make it. But like I said, you don't have to use chicken breast if you don't want. Just use whatever you prefer. It can be just anything. I guess you could also use it with ground meat or anything.
Y'all, it's delicious. It's delicious.
So thank you. It's very good.
Like, comment, share. Thank you to all the members, all the ones with the memberships. We appreciate you so kindly. Thank you for everyone that watch, comment, subscribe, comment, share. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.